a sophomore from Somerville, South Carolina. I'm majoring in vocal performance with a minor in linguistics. I'm also a member of Furman Singers, Furman Chamber Choir, and a new member of Delta Gamma.
I'm a senior from Greenville, South Carolina, majoring in comm studies on the media studies track, and I'm involved in Furman's broadcasting station, The Nightly News.
I'm a freshman from Malden, South Carolina, majoring in mathematics. I enjoy going to the football games as well as going to as many activities as I can on campus.
So thanks to our donors, I'm actually able to be here at Furman University. Coming from a working class family, I might not be able to achieve the high caliber education that Furman offers if it weren't for people like you who donate. So thank you.
Donors who support Furman help students like me participate in research, study away, and experience the world around us.
Because of the generosity through Furman, I'm able to attend here as well as experience all the amazing things happening on campus.
This Dean's Day, I urge you to make a gift so you can empower students like me to find our passion, better our community, and further our education.
This Dean's Day, we hope you give to Furman and support students just like me.
There's no other way to say this. Giving on Dean's Day helps to support students like me in experiencing the greatness of Furman University.